happy Independence Day to all of you, especially my little geniuses. Our nation resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. These are the golden words of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Today, India is celebrating its 74th Independence Day, and we all are so proud enough to witness this auspicious day. Our father of nation and numerous freedom fighters fought for the independence of India, and it's only because of their hardships, struggles, sacrifices we got freedom. And we are in sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic Republic India. And this what makes India unique and beautiful. Today we all salute to freedom fighters and also to doctors and corona warriors who were fighting against this deadly disease, risking their own lives and making others' life comfortable. So let us be united not only from words but also from mind, body and soul. Once again, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Stay home, stay safe, stay united. Thank you.
Good morning, children. What we are going to celebrate today? Yes, Independence Day. As we all of you know, today is 74th Independence Day. Do you know why we are celebrating August 15 Independence Day? Yes, because 74 years back, same day that August 15, we got full freedom from Britishers. The day marks the sacrifices that our freedom fighters made during the struggles against the British Empire. In 1929, Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India at the time, he demanded Purna Swaraj. That means full freedom of our country from British Empire. British declared the end of the British rule on 15th August 1947. So every year celebrating this same day as Independence Day. This year, Independence Day celebration will be completely devoted to fighters or warriors from COVID-19, including physicians, paramedical personnel, policemen, nurses, and other healthcare employees. There will be festive gatherings by the following social distancing norms. This time, we are celebrating our Independence Day with webinar. Okay, children, let's start.
All attention, stand at ease. Be ready for Surah, performed by Abdul Rahman. Yes, what Ahad.
My brothers.
Now we will take faith pledge. It will be led by Harun.
Division, their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind. My dear friends, India is my country.
Raise your right hand, all of you.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of its region.
Dear all, it is the time for school song by Prajay, Hisham and Nazish. Dear all, today is the most important day for people of India. In the year 1947, on 15th August, we got our freedom after a lot of struggle. Today we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day. We are proud to be Indian. This is the time for Thought of the Day by Devanand and Hayat.
Devanantu.
Yes, yes, teacher.
Start.
Good morning, everyone. Freedom is precious gift of our freedom fighters. Happy Independence Day. Now speech will be given by Jagat.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jagat Acharya. I am studying in second standard D section. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Do you know why we celebrate Independence Day? Because on 15th August 1947 arises in my mind. What is independence? And now I understood the meaning of independence and need for it. I was curious to know how Indians fought to get independence. So my parents explained me with a story. So Indian, so Gandhiji with his team decided to fight against Britishers. They marched from Ahmedabad to Dundee freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, etc. With this, I would like to end my speech. Jai Hind.
सुप्रभात। मैं ऋत्विक पारे दूसरी कक्षा का छात्र हूँ। आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर अपने विचार कहना चाहता हूँ। स्वतंत्रता दिवस प्रत्येक वर्ष 15 अगस्त को पूरे भारत में बड़े धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। यह भारत का राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है। हमारा देश 15 अगस्त 1947 को अंग्रेजों से आजाद हुआ था। इस दिन हम सब शहीदों के बलिदान को याद करते हैं और स्कूलों में तिरंगा फहराया जाता है। इस दिन प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा लाल किले पर झंडा फहराया जाता है। यह दिन हमें एकता में रहने का संदेश देता है। जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
Aditya, this is the time for patriotic song by Aditya, Dweep and Adnan.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हम तो हो सबसे ऊंचा साया आसमां का वो चंदेरी हमारा सारे जहां से ऊंचा हिंदी है वतन है
Mohammad Arzan, Hamza and Jibitan will sing Saudi national anthem. Tari lel machti waluliya, machti lel hades barfail kafatiya ya menurut musaddaratin Mohammad Ibrahim, Mohammad Shayan, Mohammad Fawaz will sing the national anthem of India.
Good morning, my dear friends and respected teachers. Jana Gana Mana Atinayaka Jai Bharata Bharata
Punjab मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गादा जन गण मंगलदायक जय भारत दादा जय 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 जय
Thank you. Assembly dispersed.